Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade rock candy fast. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients and preparing our basic kitchen equipment. Understanding the science of crystal formation is key to speeding up the process, so we'll touch on that too. This method focuses on efficiency, allowing you to enjoy delicious, sparkling sugar crystals much quicker than traditional techniques. Get ready to create some sweet treats in record time. To begin, you will combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a clean saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until every single sugar crystal has completely dissolved. It is crucial not to let the solution boil vigorously, as this can hinder proper crystal formation later. Our goal is to create a perfectly clear, supersaturated solution, which is the foundation for rapid rock candy growth. Now, to accelerate crystal growth, introduce a small seed crystal or a string with a slightly rough texture into your warm solution. Then, carefully place your container into an ice bath to cool the solution rapidly. This quick temperature drop encourages immediate crystallization. Ensure the setup remains undisturbed for the next few hours, providing a stable environment where your beautiful sugar crystals can quickly form and grow. After just 2 to 4 hours, you should see significant crystal growth on your string or stick. Carefully remove your rock candy from the solution, allowing any excess liquid to drip away. Place your newly formed candy on a piece of parchment paper or a wire rack to dry completely for about 1 hour. Once dry, your homemade rock candy is ready to be enjoyed. This fast method delivers delightful results every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.